some neighboring countries. Yeah. And in the research, another objective was to use self-control to investigate the cultural differentiation between these generations. Yeah. And we use online-based self-assessment survey, yeah, to collect the data. And from the data, the result, it showed that these three generations, X, Y, and Z, they had this same brand attitude towards this international fashion brands. But when it comes to purchase intention, Gen X and Gen Y had a different brand attitude. Gen X and Gen Z had a different brand attitude. And the result also showed that Gen Y and Gen Z had the same purchase intention. Yeah. So that was the result from the research.
Amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an impressive introduction.
Okay, thanks.
My next question is, what would have been your motivation during the pandemic to carry out researches and participate in the conferences?
My motivation. Well, first of all, so during the pandemic, social media platform became a great way to engage with people. And carrying out my research with the pandemic was difficult because we can't be sharing papers to people, and it was even difficult to meet people face to face. So that's why I choose to carry it, to collect the data online. Yeah, because a good thing about online is that you get real-time results faster. It's also more accurate when you get online because the margin of error will be reduced with online results. And the participants too, the participants, they are free to answer the question at their own convenience. Yeah, with online survey. And the researcher will reduce costs. Yeah. Yeah, so why I did the conference, well, I got feedback from, I wouldn't say classmate, but a student too, a doctorate student in my university. Yeah, actually I study in Konkan University, study masters in business, international business administration. Yeah. So he recommended this conference.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why, yeah. So his feedback gave me the motivation to choose it. Yeah, thank you.
Great. Let's move on to our next question now. What is, in your opinion, on attending an online conference rather than a physical conference?
For me, attending an online conference is more flexible, okay, as compared to traveling and all that. So it's more flexible, and it's cost effective too. So you can save for accommodation. You don't need to be thinking of a hotel booking,
right? And
traveling, and you're also helping the environment.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. And with this online conference, I think it's also some people they don't find it like they find it difficult to speak when it comes to public speaking. Yeah, they find it difficult to speak face to face. But with online, they feel relaxed to talk. Yeah. So I think that's why online is better. And for, even though it has a disadvantage, which is you can meet people face to face, yeah, to engage with people. Well, but I think I would always prefer online, online conference, yeah. Because
Absolutely agreeing.
one important thing too is that be it online or on site, you will, the same information, the same knowledge you will gain, yeah, both will still be the same. So yeah,
Absolutely
unless you
agreeing.
have plans
Yeah.
to travel and enjoy
Yeah.
yourself, okay, why not?
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Another question. Would you suggest your friends and colleagues to attend conferences online?
Yes, I
Okay.
will definitely recommend that. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, because well, I would try to tell them. I would always recommend them that you should go for online conference. Yeah, you save your time. You save the stress. You have your convenience. Like, it's flexible. Yeah, so I would always recommend that.
That's amazing. Last but not the least, what's your positive feedback about the conference?
Uh, the conference, it gave me the opportunity to listen to different topics. Yeah, some topics that are like, especially in different fields, not only marketing, business. Yeah, there were different fields. So I learned a lot from it.
Okay.
And uh, and the field, like in the conference, they were not only academic. It was not only based on academic.
Yeah.
Other professions were also present. Like, for example, there was a, I don't, well, I can remember, but there was a police, I don't know if it was a police officer. Yeah, he presented something which I learned about the Brazilian system of criminal law and
Okay.
justice. Yeah. So I was impressed with that. And I learned a lot from it. Yeah. And their levels of appeals in the Supreme Court. Yeah, which is something I was glad to listen to. Yeah.
Okay. That's amazing.
So I think
Yeah.
it was a good one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good to hear
So,
that, ma'am.
yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
So that is the end to our queries, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay.
very much for taking out
Okay.
your quality time for us and sharing your thoughts with us. And
Okay. No problem.
yeah, we will be waiting to see you again in the future conferences.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope so. I hope so.
Thank
Definitely.
thank you
Okay.
so
Thank you so
much, ma'am.
much. Yeah.
Have a
Thanks for
great
the
day ahead.
opportunity. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Okay.